Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to show you guys this everyday makeup look in 3 minutes and with only 2 products, and I'm talking about this brand called Ilana, and I have this 2 magical products right here with me and I really love this product. The first product is this golden hour shimmering illuminator. Really good product, and you can use this with many different ways. So the first way I am using this as like my daily uses, and I am just mixing it with my daily moisturizer and applying it on my skin, and it is really good for the daily use. Actually, it gives you that glow that you need and also the hydration. And this brand is so good. Like, this brand is like ethical, sustainable and cruelty free, and also it's really good for your skin. So yeah, I really love this strobe cream, and yeah, here I'm using this as my strobe cream, and it is really good for like a strobe cream. Actually, it gives you that golden glow on your skin. It looks really good with a matte foundation or something like that. And the third step, I'm using it as my highlighter, and because it's a strobe cream, so it looks really natural on your skin. So if you need a daily highlighter kind of thing, then I think it is a really best product for that. Next up, I have this Ilana lip and cheek tint, and I really love this product. Oh my god. Firstly, I am just applying it on my cheeks and dabbing it with my fingers, and it gives you that rosy cheeks, that rosy flushy cheeks, and I really love that. And in the next step, I am using it as my lip tint, which look gorgeous. I mean, oh my god, it looked really natural, like a rosy lips. So yeah, I'm in love with this. And also I'm using it as my eyeshadow, like a pink eyeshadow type of a thing. So it's really great for your daily uses, because if you're in hurry, this look is going to be the look for you. And it's really simple, it's really quick, and it like takes you about like 3 minutes or so. And I am in love with this product, so I'm definitely recommending you guys to buy them because they are so good. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe and be gorgeous. Bye bye.